welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Nicole and I'm an amateur cook. A few weeks ago, I made this lemon polenta cake. I've been making this for a long time, but I decided to try a different recipe and the cake ended up in a big disaster, so it was basically a pile of crumbs. However, it still tasted amazing, so me and my husband ate the whole cake. I obviously could not present it to anyone else. So I came back to my old recipe that I've been using for years and I made it again today. Everything turned out great, so this time I can actually share this recipe with you so you don't experience the same thing as I did. So if you're interested how I make this lemon polenta cake, please continue watching and enjoy. Have a great day.